Raise up together, Floater shot, kick on the last. Pinago. Number 7. Raise up, off the glass. Kaliwa, oh! Number 10. Right step delay and the basket. Dito tayo ngayon sa Prisa Regional Meet 2024 para sa laban ng Tuguegarao at Isabela. And for the jump ball, oop. And cross number 21. Pass back at the middle. Floater, so power sa idol. And his team UCB raise up together. And it's number 2 to number 10. Holding the ball. Tusino, cross pass. Attack, number 21 side step to the middle fire. No good. Pwede ng team Tuguegarao. Corpus, nakalusot. And number 21 Padre takes out. Number 11 Gonzales. No good. Rebound. For 3. Bang! Pico! And attack. Floater shot. Pitch on the last. And Tobias. Stop. Kick shot. Gitna, patak. Pass inside. Basket and one. And it's number 2. Mapapagiging dito ang Tuguegarao. Matake, floater shot. Too strong. Rebound. Takes. Fire. No good. Rebound. Pass break on. And naging pinasa. Basket good. And it's team Isabela. Corner. Drive. Kicks out. Number 21, the floater of the glass. No good. Pass break na. Baseball pass. Tobias. No good. Five. Basket and one. Inside pass. Takes. Fire. Wala. Butata. Pass break na yun. Oh, big goal! Number 7. Side set. Kicks out. Number 2. Corner. Pass inside. Fires. Basket. Pass break na yun. Number 4. Runs. Corpus. Wala. Rebound. Put back shot. And this team Isabela fakes. Pass inside. Patay ang butik doon. Binit na naman. And it's number 7. Malusot raise up off the glass. And it's number 13 for team Tuguegarao. Pass back. Fire for 3. No good. Rebound ngayon sa team Isabela. And it's number 10 Tusino. Side step delays. And the basket. Bounce pass inside. In the middle. Cobalies. Bounce pass. Fire off the glass. No good. Tips in. And it's number 0. Bistin lays up. And here's Corpus. Corpus attack. Fire. Pinabomba pa. Cobalies to Corpus. Corpus on the corner. And the attack. Fire. No good rebound. Put back by Cobalies. And here's number 2, Bukaw. Pass back to Bukaw. On the corner, long strip. Bang! Corpus. Bumangga. Dribbling the ball.
To number 7, crossover shot.
Wala.
Rebound controlled by. But there goes a whistle and the foul is.
Pass break nakatapit pa. Here's number 24. Number 4. Pinagawan lang ng Kenny. Pass break. Takes. Clutch. Fire. No good. Rebound. Here's Corpus. Minute beat. Lays up. Basket is good. And yes pass. Sa gitna. Pinabitin. Here's attack. Ball shot. Awa. Pumasok. Number 24 now. Holding the ball sa gitna. Picks. Corner. Drive. Ball shot off the glass. And that's good for... Naagaw. Na-recover. Number 2. Hallyu. Pass and the finish. Bounce pass. Takes. Reverse by pasok yan. Wala to strong.
Mga player ng Isabela. Ito.
Corpus.
6 minutes and 41 seconds ready for the second.
Number 11 picks. Arag.
Nobody. Intercepted by Isabela.
Cusino.
Ito. Ayun.
Agaw. Corpus. Easy basket again.
Back to 12 points in 5 minutes, 28 seconds remaining.
Bilibili step.
Wala pa rin. Number 13. Very
Off. Basket and one. And number 11. Pull up J. No good. Rebound takes and pass off the glass. That's good. And it's number 1.
Only in Santiago City, but the whole region
To number 13. Number 1. Pass inside. Reverse layup. No good. Pass break ngayon.
Pinasa rito.
Off the glass.
From there. Bumibilisang laro ng mga players natin.
Number 13. Attack. Fade away. Shot. Kobe. No good. Rebound. One more bounce. Off the glass. Mas pumasok pa nga.
Viewers, 39,350.
6. Number 7. Sa gitna.
Pinasa.
Libreng. Uy! Wala! For the inbound. Nakatilan. Naagawan. Dire-diretso na isa. Pen score!
13 points.
And number 7, launch a 3. Too strong.
At sisigawan na po ang mga fans.
Number 33, Gabay. Gabay umatake. Raise up. In out. Raise away. Pasok lang.
Santiago
Number 6,
City.
holding the ball. Passing the middle. Fires. Pumasok mga... Reverse na. Malupit na mo. Bukaw, natapikan. Nakuha ni Corpus. Pass break. Dalawa yung nandun sa baba. And easy basket by number 11. And the jet pass on the corner. Takes. Oop, muntik ng nakagaw na naman.
Nakagawang na bola. Ayun!
Oy! Dying pulis this done. And for the inbound, number 2. Launch 3. Too strong. Nakuha ngayon ni Corpus. Corpus.
Ito, pinasa rito.
Side step lays up. Oh! Basket. Yung Bukaw. Corner to Sinopix.
Ito,
Bukaw.
12 seconds.
Launch at
Fire for the
3.
outside.
Too strong. Pass break. Pinasaan ng kalaban. 4-3.
At along the board, to Gigas
Pass
City.
back. Uy. And it's number 10 as lays up. In and out. Rebound. Pass break.
Umay.
Pinaliwa. Oy! It's number 21. 2 versus 1 side this step lays up. Oy! Corpus. Corpus. Oh, spin move. 5. Bukaw. Attack. Pass inside. Fire of the glass.
Pagdalo at pagsuporta sa basketball.
Ovalles.
Ang team captain ng Crisazi, RC Gas.
Bounce pass number 77. Ovalles. Pass off the glass and good for do. Pass break na yun. Baseball pass. Oh, Ovalles. Naagawan mga idol. And bounce pass number 7. Bumangga. Fire off the glass. Good for
Number 1.
Ovalles. To the middle. Number 17. Number 1. Open for 2. No good.
Di pumasok.
Naagaw. Natin.
Good.
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 And Bukaw. Pass to the middle. Diretso si Idol. Bumawi. Ovalles. Tugapay.
Number 33.
Diretso sa gitna. Lace. Pasok yan. Gapay. Number 0. Drive. Kicks out. Pass inside. Kaldag. Bumangga. Ball deflected. And it's pass.
Sa number
Number 13. Attack. Kicks out.
77.
Ovalles.
Yung sinasa doon from the under. Turn around shot.
Fire off the glass. And here's number 0. Kicks out. Attacks. Floor shot of the glass and the lucky bounce. Was break. Bumangga. Kicks out. Attack.
Nasa rito sa number 77.
Launch
Fire from
3.
the outside.
Bang! Kicks out. Pitch. Drive. Pull up J off the glass. No good. Oop. Na-rebound. Put back shot. Basket and 1. May pamit. Pass back. Diretso si Idol. Pinauy! Bumangga pa! Oop, crossover attacks. Unit beat oop. Nag-dive si Idol. Libre sa loob.
And to shoot.
Oop, reverse layup. Pumasok yan. Bagiran. Oop. Lying on the floor yung dalawa. Uy, nag-dive si Idol. Alley-oop. Fire of the glass, yes sir.
14
Reverse layup.
seconds.
Pass break. Sakto pa. Step back. Launch 3. No good. Number 15. On the corner. 6. Drive. Side step. Pass inside. Alley-oop. Pass and the feed. And it's Bukaw. Attacks the rim. Plays it up and the lucky one. Corpus. Spins up. Uy! Wala. Side step, floor shot, and the finish by Tustin. Corpus. Pumatake. Reverse layup. And number 10, Tusino floater shot. Yes, sir. And the pass break. Oh! No good. Oh! Butata si Idol. Side step, floater of the glass. In and out. Recovered. Sa tres. Beyond the arc, no good. Baseball pass. Libre sa loob. Oy! Pinapboard pa. Kicks out. Corner. Drive. Spins. Tosino fire. Off the glass. Tosino. Corpus. Crossover. Corpus. Oop, nakalusot. Oh, 3-on-2. 4-3. Oop, sa gitna. Fire, no good. Rebound, fade away shot, and good for two. Number 7, oop, nakagaw na naman. Oop. Here's Tosino. Tosino drive at the middle sa corner, fires. Too strong, put back shot, wala pa rin. Rebound, put back of the glass, wala pa rin. For the inbound. Oop, naagaw, Corpus. 1-on-1, 26 at 2. And here's number 2. Oop. Corpus. Corpus. Corpus, dire-diretso. Ward, no good. And recovered. No too strong. Pass break ngayon. And here you go all alone. And easy basket. And this run, Corpus. Oop, dinardan ng dalawa. Oop. Oop, and easy baskets back to back. Number 11, sa gitna, lays up, too strong. And last 2 minutes, 1 minute 51 seconds. Oh, kumagumba, wala, rebound. Kumaldag. Nagdag sa Idol, kicks on the middle, wide open, pero pinalaksak, floater shot, off the glass. Oh, 2 versus 1. Pinaliwa, wala. Rebound, put back. And rebound, bounce pass. Nice, Bugaw. Bugaw. Crossover. Oh. Oh. And here you go, number 13. Bounce pass, ang gandang pass. Uy! The connection and the finish! Bounce. Rapal. Rapal, yes.